Are you having trouble getting rid of swelling after your surgery? Well, I got 4 really effective ways to help get rid of swelling after a knee surgery. My name is Adam, and this is part of our 40 Days of Bear series. The first one is ankle pumps. Just moving your ankle back and forth like this will help get fluid that's inside of your lymphatic vessels to move up the chain and get out of the area. That will help decrease swelling here in the knee. Pro tip, pump the ankle, then contract the quad. That will really help kind of move things out of the area. A second very effective way to help get swelling out of an area is elevation. Elevation will help get swelling out of an area by lifting it above your heart. Essentially, you're just using a pressure system, okay? Combining elevation with our third one, effleurage massage or a milking massage, will also help get swelling out of an area. So if we use our hand to kind of massage and put a little pressure, but essentially you're massaging the swelling out of the area. That will help put the excess swelling that's in the area into the lymphatic vessel, allowing it to get out of the area. That's what we're trying to do. Now, number 4 is going to be ice. Now, ice in itself doesn't actually reduce inflammation or reduce swelling, but what it does do is it helps reduce the amount of swelling in an area, right? So it helps reduce the amount of swelling that could go into an area. That's really important in the post-surgical process and the recovery process because we want to limit the amount of swelling and inflammation in an area. All right, so those were our 4 pro tips on how to reduce swelling post-operatively. Mr. Luciano, he is still recovering, but make sure that you come back tomorrow to learn a little bit about how swelling can affect the quadriceps muscle, especially in the post-operative recovery process.